Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a snare and a hi-hat using only one instrument in the noise channel. And this instrument comes from me, Defiant Systems. So let's create our chain and phrase in our noise channel, and I'm going to set up C3 on the 4 and C here. Okay, so let's go ahead and edit our instrument. We're going to make it a noise type, and we're going to adjust our envelope to A2 and our shape to FA. You can adjust the envelope and the shape. I suggest your envelope anywhere from A1 to A3. Anything past that will be a little too long, and with shape I usually only use FA or FB. I usually don't stray too far with the shape. So let's go ahead and check out our snare that we've made. Sounds like a pretty good snare. Now, how you make the hi-hat using the same instrument is simple. All you have to do is go up an octave. So let's set up a little drum beat here. And check it out. With your hi-hat you can use C5. Or C4 for your snare. Your snare. They're just a little bit. The C4 is a little higher, and your C5 for your hi-hat is a little lower. Anything past 6 just sounds the same, as you can tell. Yeah, C5 is just a little lower of a hi-hat, and C4 is just a little higher of a snare. And that is how you make a snare and hi-hat using one instrument in the noise channel.